This is tip number 6 to galvanize your wrists. If you're having wrist trouble when you practice yoga, join me on the mat. We've got some solutions here. Make sure to check out the previous lesson because we were talking about our corkscrew elbows with the hands palms facing down. Now, we're going to bring our hands palms facing up, thumbs to touch. Let the wrists touch down onto the floor. So if this is too much on your wrists, you can always have the hands right by the knees, but eventually we're going to want the hands right below the shoulders and the hips right above the knees. Start to push into the backs of the hands. Corkscrew the elbows directly back behind you. Sit with that for a moment and then corkscrew them out to the side. Corkscrew them back. Feel that stretch. This is stretching out the extensors of your wrists. Dial it out to the side. Repeat this a few more times and make sure you're breathing. Don't collapse into the shoulders, so don't shrug the shoulders up into the ears. We want to really move towards the sensation that we're experiencing in the wrists. That one's one of my favorites. Be careful with it and let me know if you have any questions in the comments.